In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Instagram. Poll is basically created to seek a public opinion over a particular subject matter, and it's pretty simple and easy. Before you start, make sure to navigate on your Play Store, then in the search engine type Instagram and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Then you can proceed to open. Now if you are looking to create a poll using the post icon by tapping on the plus, unfortunately you can't create it like that, but I'm going to show you a quick way on how to create the poll with another alternative. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. So there are two different ways that you can create a poll. One is through your story. On the top left corner, locate your profile icon and tap on the plus icon as if you are going to share a story. So I'm going to pick a picture among the alternatives that I'm having here. On the top menus, make sure to navigate and pick this icon as you can see on the screen. So you have a tons of options. Continue to select on poll. So you can type your question here and you can also enter the alternative answers here. So in my case, I'm going to put something like interesting. Then the first option, I'll put yes. And the second, no. So after that, you can add another options as many as you want. Once you are done, you can also scale it to adjust it around the area of the screen that you want it to fit. And to share it, navigate to the next icon that you see on your bottom right corner and tap on it. Then you can proceed to share on your story. So this is one option that you can share your poll on Instagram. So with the second option, we are going to navigate back to the home feed again, but this time we are going to send a poll as a message to an individual on Instagram. So we navigate to the message icon on the top right corner and tap on it. Then I'm going to proceed to select a contact among the list of contacts I'm having here. In order to send a poll, I'll have to proceed to click on this image icon that you can see on the bottom left corner. Then continue to hit on the picture and snap something. After that, on the top menus, continue to click on this icon. Then you can navigate to select on poll. Then you can enter your question here and the alternative solutions. So once you are setting, if you want to add more option, you can proceed to click on add another option, and if you are done, you can proceed to click on this done. Then proceed to select on send. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.